Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI rate limit error. If you're seeing a rate limit error in Claude AI, it usually means the service has temporarily restricted requests, often because of too much activity in a short period or a session issue in your browser. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a few simple actions inside your browser and Claude to help refresh the session and clear stored browsing data that may be contributing to the problem. First, open Claude AI in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the top left corner and click on New Chat. This can help reset the current conversation state and is often the quickest way to see if the issue is tied to the existing chat rather than the whole session. If that doesn't resolve it, try another simple option from the same area of the screen. Refresh the page by clicking the refresh icon at the top left. This reloads Claude and can clear temporary loading or connection issues without requiring you to sign in again right away. If the error still appears, move to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will open your browser settings, where you can manage stored site data and privacy controls. In the left side navigation panel, click on Security and Privacy. This section contains the controls for clearing browsing information, which can be useful when a web app is holding onto outdated or corrupted session data. Next, choose the option to delete browsing data. When the time range appears, select All Time. Choosing All Time ensures that older cached files and cookies related to Claude are also removed, not just the most recent ones. After that, click Delete to confirm. Give the browser a moment to finish clearing the data. Depending on how much information is stored, this may take a few seconds. Once the deletion is complete, return to Claude AI and open it again. Because your browser data has been cleared, the site may load more cleanly and the rate limit message may no longer appear. Keep in mind that clearing browsing data can sign you out of websites, so you may need to log back in afterward. These steps are useful because they address both a stuck session and possible browser cache issues without changing anything more advanced. If needed, you can repeat the new chat and refresh actions after reopening the site. That's it for this guide on fixing the Claude AI rate limit error.